Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to paint roses in watercolors using an angular brush. In my previous video, I had made a floral portrait where I had used an angular brush for making the flowers. So if you haven't watched that, check out the link in the description. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm applying a layer of water on the paper. Now taking rose pink, I'm giving a wet on wet wash of the pink shade. Now adding some lemon yellow color. And this is an angular brush I'm using for creating the strokes. Now comes the second layer of strokes. I'm taking more darker shade of rose pink mixed with crimson. Again I'm repeating the same strokes to create more depth. Taking violet color with rose pink to create more darker shade. Here you can see the close-up how I'm creating the strokes. I'm just darkening the outlines to create shadows and leaving the space for the light part. Now I'm using a cat tongue brush for adding a dark layer of violet and rose pink. I'm creating the same strokes as I did with an angular brush. Now comes the background. I'm using lemon yellow, cerulean blue, Prussian blue, sap green and violet color for the background wash. For leaves, I'm using sap green, chrome yellow. For darker leaves, I have mixed sap green with violet color. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also connect with me on my Instagram and Facebook pages. Both the links are given in the description. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.